Bo Schembechler, the head football coach at the University of Michigan in the 1970s and 80s, said this about recruiting players for his team. If you miss out on the right player, that player will beat you one game. If you get the wrong person on your team, that person will beat you every single day. I feel the same way about allowing people into my circle, whether it's my personal circle or my business circle. It's really important that we keep the right people around us. As far as the actual circle of friends, people I trust, people I want to get to know, people I support, people that I can rely on, that number is fairly small. I keep a limited client roster so I can focus on delivering quality value to a few rather than relying on quantity. I work really hard to make it easy for prospects to qualify themselves, to decide for themselves whether I would be a good fit with them working together, rather than try to cast as wide a net and fill it up with a lot of prospects that, quite frankly, wouldn't be a good fit. I also keep a very small circle within the business itself. My firm has 2 owners and 2 employees, me and my wife. Conversations about what the business means to me and my family and where the business is going and what we want the business to look like. That conversation only includes 2 people really, my co-owner, my wife, and me. I do reach out for help from some other trusted advisors that we have. My mentor, my marketing advisor. But at the end of the day, the decision always comes down to me and my wife. The smaller that circle is, the easier it is for us to have the conversations, get on the same page with each other, and reach a decision.